If you are not able to buy any more products from your dealer, you probably have to pay off your debt before you can order again. So what you want to do is you want to go to your messages, click on Albert Hoover, and right here you can check your debt counter. If you click on I need to order a debt drop or we need to meet up, you will see the debt in the bottom left corner and the order limit. If the debt is close to the order limit, you will not be able to buy again. So what you want to do is you want to get some cash from the ATM, like 1000. I'm done. And then you want to go to Dance Hardware and go behind this little store. And right here we have this little Hoover stash. And then you can just drag and drop or shift left click to put the money in, and then you can buy again and again without paying between the orders. Don't make these mistakes in the first mission in Schedule 1. If you want to find out, click on this video for a few tips for the first 5 minutes of the game.